Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the point. Open Settings on your device and keep the home screen visible. Once done, long press the Google Assistant area so you can identify if it's a widget, shortcut, or part of your launcher. Make sure the Google app is available in the app list. This helps because removal paths differ. If you can, also open the Google app settings in parallel so you can switch between panels quickly while you follow the next steps. Now act. Long press the Assistant element on the home screen and drag it toward Remove or the trash icon. That immediately deletes widgets and most shortcuts. If it's an app shortcut, you may see Uninstall or Remove shortcut. Choose Remove to keep the app but clear the icon. If the Assistant is baked into your launcher, go to Launcher Settings, then Home Screen Options, and disable Assistant suggestions or widgets. These steps remove the visible Assistant quickly, while preserving app data. Finish by disabling Assistant behavior so it does not reappear. Open the Google app, tap Settings, choose Google Assistant, then General. Toggle Assistant off or selectively disable triggers like voice match and Assistant suggestions. Once done, restart your device to flush caches and confirm the home screen is clear. If the Assistant returns, clear the Google app cache or reset launcher defaults, then repeat removal steps. This guarantees the Assistant stays removed unless you re-enable it manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.